Good morning, students. So today we are going to start our new chapter from Unit 8, that is first law of thermodynamics. Thermodynamics, as its name clarifies its meaning, thermodynamics means thing related to temperature. So we will discuss it in terms of temperature only over here. First topic of this chapter is thermal equilibrium. Turn by turn we will do the laws of thermodynamics, but in this chapter we will discuss the basic concepts about first law only. So the term that we will do now is thermal equilibrium. As the word equilibrium means, if we are talking about any two things, they must be equal with each other. That is called equilibrium. Might be you have done in chemistry also, where we talk about chemical equilibrium, physical equilibrium, thermal equilibrium. What is the meaning of chemical equilibrium? As we do in chemistry, if the two reactions or the left hand side is equal to right hand side of a particular reaction, then we say that is in chemical equilibrium. But here we are talking about thermal equilibrium, then it's very obvious it will relate with the term temperature. So what is the definition of thermal equilibrium? Two systems are said to be in thermal equilibrium. Just focus over there. Two systems, we are talking about two systems. Obviously if we want to discuss about equilibrium, we have to take two systems. So two systems are said to be in thermal equilibrium with each other if they are at the same temperature. Suppose I have this box and I have given this partition, that is part A and that is part B. If here also temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, here also 10 degrees Celsius, means heat cannot be transferred from A to B or B to A. Why? The reason being is that both of the systems are at equilibrium. They are having equal amount of temperature. So this is called thermal equilibrium. The next we are having is the zeroth law of thermodynamics. As I told you, we will discuss first law, second law, third law, but here we are going to discuss zeroth law of thermodynamics. Very interesting topic it is. Firstly, we will go for the definition. What it says? It states that if two systems A and B, just see this thing, if two systems A and B are in thermal equilibrium. What is the meaning of thermal? Means both of them are at the same temperature. It states that if two systems A and B are in thermal equilibrium with the third system, now we are talking about third system also, means ये दोनों थर्ड के साथ क्या है, इक्विलिब्रियम में है. मीन्स जितना A का है उतना ही C का है, जितना B का टेम्परेचर उतना C का. बोथ ऑफ देम आर इन इक्विलिब्रियम विद द सिस्टम C. देन A एंड B, अगर A और C का टेम्परेचर सेम है, B और C का टेम्परेचर सेम है, देन इट इज श्योर, इट शुड बी इवन दैट A एंड B आर इन इक्विलिब्रियम. So then A and B must be in thermal equilibrium with each other. Now just let's understand what it is, what this diagram wants to say. We are having three systems A, B and C. In between A and B system, I have this adiabatic wall. What is adiabatic wall? The wall which do not allow the transfer of heat. ना तो A से heat transfer हो सकती है, ना ही B से A. This wall will not permit the transfer of heat from one system to another. Here we are having the diathermic wall, but this wall will allow the heat transfer from B to C or C to A or A to C, vice versa. Clear? Now what is the concept behind this diagram? अब B और C में heat transfer हो रहा है, उधर A और C में भी heat transfer हो रहा है. After some time what we will do? We will remove this adiabatic wall. और जब ये adiabatic wall को remove करेंगे, we will see there will be no transfer of heat from A to B. Why so? Because before removing this wall, heat was transferred already and both A and C and B and C were in equilibrium. They have already attained the thermal equilibrium. So when we have removed this adiabatic wall, there is no need for transferring the heat from one system to another. So this is the function of adiabatic and diathermic wall. अब ऑलरेडी जब वो इक्विलिब्रियम आ चुका है, हीट तीनों सिस्टम में इक्वल हो चुकी है, हीट का अमाउंट इक्वल हो चुका है, सो देयर विल बी नो नीड फॉर द ट्रांसफरिंग ऑफ हीट. सपोज इसका भी 10 आ गया, 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस, 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस, हेयर ऑल्सो 10 डिग्री सेल्सियस. अब जब तीनों का ही इक्वल आ गया, सो देयर विल बी नो नीड ऑफ ट्रांसफर ऑफ हीट. So 3 of them are in equilibrium. Before we were saying that B and C and A and C were in equilibrium. अब वो तीनों आ गए, जब ये एडियाबैटिक वॉल रिमूव की तो ये दोनों भी हो गए क्या इसमें इक्विलिब्रियम में, मीन्स तीनों ही एट द एंड केस में आ जाएंगे इक्विलिब्रियम में. So this is the topic of zeroth law of thermodynamics. Very very important it is. Afterwards in the next video we will discuss about internal energy, heat, work, and then first law, second law, and so on.